Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
In this problem, it is given that these two beakers represent solution of HCl and NaOH, right? Draw the third beaker showing the ion that remain after the reaction has gone to completion. So what we can do here, this is beaker 1 which contains solution of HCl, solution of HCl, and here it is beaker 2, right? So this is solution of NaOH, right? So this basically contains H plus and HCl ions, right, given in the problem. So can we say that this will give us beaker 3, right? So this is beaker 3. We will see that how many ions will be there. We will just calculate. Beaker 3 is drawn. So this is beaker 3. Alright. So now we needed to find this. So can we write the reaction here? Yes. So there, according to this, we can see there will be reaction. So reaction will be what? Reaction balanced we will write here. But first of all, we will write what all things are reacting here. So here in beaker 1, there is HCl, right? HCl plus here beaker 2, NaOH is there. This is also aqueous and this is also aqueous. This will give us NaCl, right? And we will get plus this is H2O. This will be liquid plus this will be Na plus aqueous plus OH minus. So this is our reaction, but we will just do one thing more, that what we will do here, we will balance the reaction here. So now in the beaker 1, this is given 4 HCl, 4 H plus ion are there and 4 Cl minus ion are there. So this will be nothing but this will be 4, right? And there is for the beaker number 2, we have 5 Na plus and 5 OH ions. So it will be 5 NaOH. And in beaker 3, we have NaCl, H2O, Na plus plus OH minus. So when they react each other, this becomes 4 NaCl. This is the balanced equation. We can easily find out the ions here present in the beaker number 3. So this will be 4 H2O liquid and Na plus will be Na plus only. Why? Because here 4 Na plus we have taken here and here it will be Na plus. So this whole makes 5 NaOH, right? 5 Na plus ions should be there, right? So here OH minus is here and we have 4 OH. You can say 4 OH is with the liquid, and this must not be taken. We are just balancing the equation, but H2 is just a liquid which is making a solution only, but we are talking about only OH ions. So there will be one Na plus, and there will be, okay, so it should be okay. So we will not include solid and liquid one, right? So here one Na plus is there, and here one OH minus is here. But as a whole, we will not take this. Remember this. We will not take this because this is making a solution, right? So liquid and solid are not included generally. So we are talking about only ions. Only aqueous solution dissociates, right, into ions. Remember this. So this is our answer to this problem. I hope you understood the problem. So it is asked that how many ions are present, right? So this is Na. All right, we will write here 4 Na plus ion, right? 4, sorry, 4 plus 5, that is 5 Na plus ion. 5 Na plus ions, right? And this will be 1 2 3 4. 4 again, 4 Cl minus ions, and there will be 1 OH ions, OH minus ions. So this is how we solve this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.